Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to yet another amazing video. Well, today's video is actually quite requested. A lot of you really wanted to know my skincare routine and it's actually been a while since I've shared one, so I thought why not. So here I am sharing my summer skincare routine. Also, if you like my content and if you like the vibe here, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so that you do not miss any of my future videos coming your way. And now let's get started. I am personally a skincare junkie. I just love trying out new products. As soon as I see a new product on social media and I see that this product is going viral, I just want to get it and try it out for myself. Now there's one particular brand that I'm seeing all over the internet and a lot of people are talking about it and raving about their products, which is Foxtail. You have definitely heard about this brand. I went to their website and I got bunch of products, like 4 to 5 products from Foxtail. During summers, I just do not like to layer my skincare like so many different steps, 7 to 8 steps. It is impossible for me, and right now it is literally super hot. No matter what part of India you are living in, it is hot. So I did not want to confuse you with thousands of products. So I'm just gonna share my minimal skincare routine that I personally follow during day and night, and I'm seeing great results. So now let's begin. Of course, the first step is gonna be face wash. So I'm gonna use this Foxtail Clear Picture Acne Control Cleanser. This has salicylic acid, hyaluronic acid and also niacinamide. Now a lot of people actually neglect this step completely. We feel like that face wash is a very simple thing. You can use anything or everything for your skin, but trust me, no, you need to choose a perfect face wash for your skin type and your skin concern. Like literally when I wake up in the morning, there's too much oil on my forehead and on my nose. For that, I personally like to use a cleanser like this, which has exfoliating properties and also niacinamide, which works on the sebum production. So this has salicylic acid, which is a BHA, which goes deeper into your skin and then cleans your skin from deep within. It clears all the oil, all the gunk, all the dirt from your skin. Niacinamide on the other hand is going to work on the sebum production. That is something that we face a lot during summers, right? Like oiliness on our face. So for that, you need to look for niacinamide in your skincare products. Now to make sure that your skin does not lose its natural oils and hydration, they also have added hyaluronic acid. So you can see even after washing my face, you can literally see that shine and very nice glow on my face. Now the second step that I like to follow is a treatment serum. I personally love to use vitamin C serum for my daytime skincare routine. I think I have used so many different products during the daytime skincare routine, but the best ingredient that has worked the bestest for me is vitamin C, because vitamin C actually helps you with the sun damage also, and when you pair it with a sunscreen, then it's the best combination. I am using right now this Foxtail brightening serum. This has 15% of L-ascorbic acid, which is the purest form of vitamin C, which is going to work wonders for your skin. I am impressed with the formulation. Generally, I personally use vitamin C serum. So after that, you have to apply a moisturizer as well. If you can see, this is actually in a cream texture and actually a creamier formula. I love it because after that, I really do not need to apply any moisturizer. If you have dark spots, uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation, acne marks, and you just want to get rid of it, then you want to use this product. After I'm done applying the serum, I just like to dab this on my skin and leave it for a few seconds. And then the next step that I love to follow, and I just cannot skip this step whatsoever, is a sunscreen. So this is the Foxtail Dewy Sunscreen. This has SPF of 70 PA++++. So this sunscreen gives you all the protection that you need for your skin from this harsh sun rays. SPF of 70, which is big. Generally brands come with SPF of 50, maximum 60, but you get SPF of 70 in this particular sunscreen. I love this one because this is a really nice dewy sunscreen, which is something that I personally love for my skin. But if you have oily skin, you can actually check their other variant, which is a mattifying sunscreen. It just gets absorbed super quickly into the skin. You can see there is no white cast. Also, I love the fact that there's no peeling. I have tried and paired it with different skincare products, and I could see that there is no peeling whatsoever. With this sunscreen, you not only get sun protection, but this also has niacinamide and also vitamin E. So it's again gonna work on your skin and work on the sebum production, soothing of your skin, hydration of your skin and everything. And I just love the pricing. This brand is super affordable. The most important thing about these products that these are actually very comfortable on the skin. Even after, you can see that there is so much of glow and dewiness on my skin. There is no greasiness and tackiness and heaviness on my skin that I feel, which is very important during the summer season. Now during the nighttime skincare routine, I literally follow only 2 steps. The step number 1 is of course face wash to remove all the sunscreen. If I have makeup on my skin, I just like to use this for double cleansing, and it works great. I mean, it really nicely removes my makeup as well. After the face wash, if you want, you can use any serum, but I personally love to use a moisturizer, and I've got 2 moisturizers from Foxtail and I am loving both of these. This one is actually their OG ceramide moisturizer. That is literally everyone's favorite. You would see this in so many people's hand because this is the bestest formulation from Foxtail that I've tried up till now. So this is the Foxtail ceramide moisturizer. This literally keeps your skin hydrated throughout the day. This has ceramide. Ceramide actually retains moisture into your skin. So if you have dry to very dry skin, use this moisturizer during day and night. You would see results, trust me, within a week. This one is the new moisturizer that I've tried from Foxtail. This is Foxtail Super Glow Moisturizer. This has vitamin C, niacinamide and also peptide. You can see all their skincare products are like a combination of different ingredients, which is great because earlier we used to apply 5, 6, 7 different skincare products to get all the benefits. Niacinamide हम अलग से लगाते थे, hyaluronic अलग से लगाते थे, then moisturizer, then sunscreen, toner and what not. But these products has different ingredients. This has vitamin C, which is gonna work for your dark spots, acne mark, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone के ऊपर vitamin C बहुत अच्छे से work करेगा. It also has niacinamide, which is a very soothing ingredient for your skin. It's gonna repair your skin barrier. It's gonna help with sebum production, with hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, everything. And again, this also has peptide, which actually is gonna help you with skin barrier again. So can you see these products? You do not need to get 5, 6 different products. You just need to get one product and you will get all the benefits. This particular moisturizer, I recently got it and I loved it. The moment I apply this on my skin, this literally instantly makes my skin super glowy, and also at the same time this is very lightweight. This is actually for all skin type, no matter what skin type you have. I just love their products, and I just love the fact that this brand is quite affordable. But also to make it even more affordable for you, Foxtail के ऊपर अभी buy one get one sale चल रही है and you can get these products on the price of one. So you just buy one and you will receive this one completely free. Perfect time to buy these products. The links will be in the description box below, so do not forget to check that out. Yeah, this is all what I have today in this video for you guys. I really hope you found this video helpful and enjoyed watching this. If you have any questions regarding these products, you can ask me in the comments. I would love to answer all your questions. And yes, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. I love you guys all so much.